How to disable sleep mode on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to make your Android never turn off. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch your settings application on your device. Then tap display and brightness option. Scroll down, select auto screen off option, and here on this section you will get the options like 15 seconds, 30 seconds to 30 minutes, but there is no any option for never or always. So you can only auto screen off for 30 minutes but not more than that. So there is a way to disable sleep mode. For that you need to come back to the settings page, scroll down, tap about device, scroll down and locate version and open the version. Here on the build number you have to tap for 7 or 8 times and you will easily turn on your developer mode on your device. When you come back to the settings page, you have to go to additional settings, scroll down, locate developer options and open it. You need to make sure to toggle on the button and turn on developer options. Scroll down and here you have to locate the option for keep a screen on while charging and toggle the button on. Once you do that, while you are charging, your screen will be turned on. And this will disable the sleep mode. So that was it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.